Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic in Power BI, actions. Let's get started by exploring the web URL action feature and how you can use it effectively in your reports. Let me explain the scenario. I have a YouTube channel where I share educational content, and I want to make it easier for people to access my channel. To do this, I will create a feature in Power BI that allows users to visit my channel with just one click. Here's how I set it up. I inserted an image into my Power BI report. This image will act as a clickable link to my channel. For activation the hyperlink action, click on the image. On the right-hand side, in the Format Image pane, locate the Action option. Turn the Action button on. Under the Type dropdown, select Web URL from the list of available actions. I copied the link to my YouTube channel and pasted it into the Web URL field. By default, no tooltip appears when you hover over the image. To add one, type a message like, "For more videos, click here," into the tooltip field. Now, when you hover over the image, the tooltip will be displayed. Click outside the image to deselect it. Now click on the image. It will open the YouTube channel in your web browser. That's it. This simple setup allows users to navigate to any channel with ease. I hope this explanation helps you learn something new in Power BI.